Hello, welcome to Venn diagrams. Here we have the universal set in our box right here. And then we have two subsets. We have subset A, shown there, and subset B, shown here. Now, when we're talking about Venn diagrams, there's different ways to do it. There's with numbers and there's with shading. So I've erased the coloring so that we can start fresh. So if we are given the universal set and we need to shade it in, all we would do is say everything in this box. This is our context, U. So that would be how we would shade for that. Now, taking that out of there, we're going to try a different, a little bit more difficult one, where we are going to do A union B. Now I want you to remember that union means or. So we can have A, which is here, or we can have B, which will add this B part here. So it could be this part in between or any of that. So we've done A union B. Now we're going to try a different one again so that you guys can see all different types that we're doing. And we're going to try A intersection B. Now remember that intersection means and. So it has to be A and B. You can do this by erasing or by thinking about the problem, looking at it, and working through. Depends how big your Venn diagram is. If it's 2, it's pretty easy to see. We look for A and B. It's where they cross. So it's just going to be this little section in here. If we had more Venn diagrams, then we might need to use a pencil and erase a little bit. Help us out that way. So now we're going to get into some complements. Do not A and B. So remember the complement. So not A and B. So not A and B means I can't have A, but it also has to be B. So we look at our B, we say it has to be in here, but it can't go to the A part of it. So we'll just color in that section there. So that's how you do the coloring part of Venn diagrams. So we look at this already shaded Venn diagram, and we say what part of this Venn diagram is shaded. And we say, well, that's B, because it's the circle B. So we have another picture here to try to figure out what area is shaded. And looking at the red, we see that everything is shaded except for B. So B is not shaded. So therefore we know that it is the complement of B. And I'd like you to try these two problems on your own. So for the first one, try to write the notation for the shaded area. So you may have to use unions or intersections for this. And for number 2, I'd like you to draw the Venn diagram and shade the area for A intersection B complement. Thank you.